chunk of ice that she had, and I chucked it in the street to try to find
it.